For the sunny Florida crazy gator, of one balloon, we're going to take up our green balloon, blow it up to where there's a good extra hand length, and tie that off. Once we tie off, we're going to start with the mouth, the jowls, the snappers, the chompers of the alligator. Going to make a 1, a 2, little bubbles. Going to pinch and twist and tie this knot and nozzle way around real tight. Push it through the center and then hold that way it holds. Going to make a 1-inch bubble. Then we're going to ear twist. That's going to hold the head up straight. The next thing we're going to do is make 2, count them, 1, 2, little bubbles for the eyes. So we're going to go 1, a 2, and then we're going to twist and turn and shape and fold and mold and make those into the gator's eyeballs. Boing, boing, ah! Okay. We're going to make a small little neck, make a little loop for one of the legs, make another little loop for the other leg. Rearrange him properly. Then we're going to go over for the body, make a little loop for one leg and another little loop for the other leg. And then the tail we crimp so that we get a nice little gator. Woo! Trying to run away already. Hold up. We got to add some teeth. And then we're going to do some eyes, which are just little dots, dashes, and semicircles. We're going to make him a mean gator because, well, that's a lot quicker than drawing eyelashes. And then we're going to give him some nostrils. And then we're going to give him some teeth. And by teeth, I mean really squiggly lines that I can pretend like look like teeth so that I can hand it to a kid and then he's appeased. And then I can also do little sharp little thingies on his back so when he swims through the water, you know he's a gator, not a turtle. But there you go. It's a gator.